Hey guys, this is Chelley Renae from Studio 74 USA. I wanted to show you how I made this pretty spine dangle. And it detaches. It's just a clip. You could take it on and off of your journals. But also, if you didn't want to put it on a journal, you could just hang it in your art room and it's beautiful art just to look at. Stay tuned. So the first thing you want to do is get all of your little pieces of laces, ribbons, and fabrics all laid out that you want to use. I usually do about 12 inches or so because that's a standard size, and but you could always measure before and see exactly how long you want it to be, and just make sure you double your length because in the next step we're going to tie it in the middle. I'll get all these together and then I'll come right back. Okay, so I have all of the ones that I picked for this one. That's what they look like. Make sure you know where your middle point is, you know, where you're going to tie it off. And just take an extra piece that matches, and we're going to tie it right in the middle. Just straighten it out as much as you can. We're going to tie it right in the middle. And I have a board, you know, here, so I kind of can see where my middle point is on it pretty well. I don't really want to have to cut too much off because I don't want to waste. So we're just going to do one regular tie in one direction, just one regular. But then if you'll turn it just a little bit and then you tie it over one more time, that creates a really nice tight little square knot. It's really hard to see there, but that more than likely won't come undone on its own because you tie it one way and then turn your ribbons and then tie it real tight on top. Now, move on to the next step. Okay, so in this example, I used the, there's a word for this, and I can't remember it right now, but these little clips, I think, you know, Tim Holtz and people like that make them. I just picked mine up on Amazon, I think. They may have been Tim Holtz, I'm not sure. So I'm just taking one end of the one that we tied and feeding it right through. I'm going to feed it through one of these holes. When I get that done, I'll come right back. Okay. I've got it fed through there. You can see where just one of them is in the hole. Take that. We're going to tie another one of those knots. You want to leave, you don't want it real, like, don't put it real snug, but let's just tie it with a little bit of room left and then tie that knot right on top of it, just like that. You can see it's got a little bit of room there, a little bit of wiggle room. You could leave it just like that and let it hang, but a lot of times we like to go on and tie it down like a tassel. We'll do that next. I have another little piece of ribbon here that matches everything. I'm just going to lay it flat, bring it around here like this. We're just going to tie that off like a tassel. When I'm finished, I'll show you when I get back. Okie doke. I'm back. I've got it all tied up just like a tassel. Pull it down the way you want to. We'll just switch it off and show you how that one looks. Just pretty art. I hope this inspires you in some way. Follow me and I'll follow back. Happy crafting!